Health experts insist that wearing masks, more testing, and robust contact tracing are the key to fighting the coronavirus. Contact tracing helps inform people if they've come into contact with someone who is tested positive for COVID-19. However, the Better Business Bureau is warning the public that scammers are taking advantage of this vital tracking information to prey on customers. Joining us now to talk more about that, Chris Thedford with the Better Business Bureau in St. Louis. Chris, thanks for being with us. So what are consumers saying about some of these contact tracing scams?
So it's really horrible, Dan. What they're telling us is that they're getting unsolicited text messages or unsolicited emails saying that they've been exposed to the virus. And in terms of the text message, they're being told they need to click on that link. But if they click on the link, it can load malware onto whatever device they're using. And in terms of the email, it's also asking them for personal information and the sorts of information that health departments and local government authorities would never ask in a contact tracing situation.
So how do legitimate contact tracers contact people then?
It's a great question. So what you will need to know as we navigate this, if there is a legitimate contact tracer who's reaching out to us, is it's going to come from a local government or a local health department. They're going to identify themselves as such, and they're never going to ask you for information which could lead to things like identity theft or asking for financial information. So they're not going to ask you for your bank account. They're not going to ask you for credit card information. So they're going to ask you about what travel you've done, who you've been in contact with, and what your health status is so that they can continue the contact tracing process. But they're never going to ask you for financial information. And those are big red flags if somebody calls and asks you for that sort of information and claims they're a contact tracer.
And this person will identify themselves as a representative of a department or local government, correct?
Absolutely, Dan. They'll identify themselves as an employee of the local government or of the local health department so that they establish that relationship with you, that you know who they are and why they're asking the questions that they're asking.
And of course, BBB.org, I guess, is a good source for all this information.
Sure, lots of COVID-related information there, Dan. Anybody can go there, or you can call us at our office, and we're trying to help the community as we navigate these and these scams appear.
Yeah, it's a shame that these scams are popping up, but you have to deal with them. All right, Chris Thedford, good information. Thanks for being with us. We appreciate it. BBB.org for more information.